Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of Ed's Sporting Card Collecting. Today I'm here joined with my brother.
Hey, it's the dog with the Ed man.
And we have 3 boxes of 2020 Topps. I believe this is the seasonal box or winter set. So we have a good chance of getting the top rookies. Like, I think last time we got a Boba Shit. If you guys remember, we got the Ronald Acuna, or my brother pulled the Ronald Acuna bat relic. We got 3 boxes, so what we're going to do is we're going to open all 3 boxes today.
My brother Eddie pulled some good die cuts.
Go ahead and open the other ones. Yeah, we're gonna take all the packs out. So we're gonna make a massive opening. Okay, so every box we get some of these that my brother collects, or he likes keeping them, the ornaments. So on my box I got a Max Kepler from the Minnesota Twins. This is gonna go to my brother's collection. Here's the packs for the first one. We'll put them next to Luis Robert. The second box that my brother opened, the ornament is... Oh! And since he's a Dodger fan, perfect for him. Clayton Kershaw ornament.
Ooh.
Cool. It would be really dope if these came autographed.
Number 22.
Here's the second. And the last box ornament is... Alright, Mets fans, rejoice. Pete Alonso. Pete Alonso from the New York Mets. So my brother is going to keep those. And so how we're going to do this today is we're going to open 2 by 2. We won't see what's inside of them. We'll just do 2, stack it up on another one. And then we'll just open them at the same time and see what we get. So, here's my first one. So you guys could see. Put face down. Open the second one. Put that one on top of this one. Put these on the side. And let us start. Zach Gallen from the Arizona Diamondbacks, rookie card. Oh, I think I might have a hit. It looks like a thick card. Okay, we're gonna put the rookies on the side because you never know who's gonna be really good. Next one is Domingo Leiva. That could have been pronounced the wrong way. Rookie card. Okay. And remember that these are the holidays edition, so some of the snowflakes might be like touchable and whatnot.
Like rigid.
We could see Santa Claus hats, Christmas hats, shoes, ornaments. So the back one is okay. Boston Red Sox. Is that Alex Verdugo?
What?
Michael Chavis. So I already got one of the 3 hits that we're gonna get.
Nice.
My brother pulled the Ronald Acuna bat. I got the Michael Chavis memorabilia. Unfortunately, it's not an auto patch or auto relic like they come sometimes. But hey, can't complain. Let's keep on going. Here's a Jose Urena. Luis Severino. Mitch Haniger. Jake Odorizzi. Josh Hader. It would have been funny if he had the Santa Claus hat. Who's this? Clayton Kershaw. If he had the, let me see. If he had the little elf shoe, that would have been pretty funny. But brother collects Dodgers, so that goes to him. Blake Snell. Matthew Boyd. Aaron Judge. Okay, here we go. This one has the snowflakes in the back. So that's like a short print. Who's this? Trey Turner. Kyle Tucker. Nick Sneasel. Willie Castro. And Zach Greinke. Alright, those were my first 2 packs. My brother gets to pick the next 2, and I'm gonna let him go.
I get to choose any row?
Yeah, pick 2, and then, yeah, any row, any...
Like 1 and 1? Okay.
No, you don't gotta pick from the top. You wanna pick from the middle, whatever.
Alright, so I like to kind of shuffle them, but in a way that don't hurt the cards. So I'm just gonna, you know, pick some random ones. I'm picking the 3rd from the 1st, and the 1st from the 2nd. So I didn't have much luck the other video, but hopefully I can get something good. I know we ain't nowhere near Christmas, but it should be labeled the Christmas edition. They all. So let's see what we got here. Sorry. So starting off.
No, put it on top, and then...
Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah, my bad. I'm gonna cut both of them and stack them on top. That's how I do it. Okay, so we're gonna put them on top, you guys, and also from the beginning, starting with Randy Dobnak.
That's the rookie card, so we're gonna put him on the side.
And it's my brother. Next we got this is Yadier Molina.
Yadier.
This got let's see. Next, this is Gio Urshela. Next, we got Evan Longoria.
Make sure you touch the snowflakes to see if they got
any feeling to it. Okay.
Then,
This is Elvis Andrus. This is a Dodger, so I'll probably put this aside. This is Bruce Dar Graterol.
that's a rookie too, so you can put it on your
What about my Kershaw? This is White Sox. Shout out to my brother's friend Bofis, Eloy Jimenez.
We'll put that on the side.
Put that on the side. This is Brandon Lowe. No.
Also check out the cards if they got like
Serial numbers?
any holiday thing in the background.
Okay.
Those make it like a super short print.
Matt Chapman. So just regular snowflakes. This says Wilson Contreras. 2 for the Cubs. This has a nice little Oscar Mercado. Another Randy Dobnak.
Let's put that one on the side.
Put that one as well.
Never know if
This is also another.
What?
I believe this is back to back. The same 2 cards I just pulled back to back. Yadier Molina.
Really? Okay,
Done.
that's kind of crazy.
Down there, hit strikes twice.
Whoa, hold on a second.
What's this?
That's the 3rd. You got him too. Gio Ursula.
Man,
That's 3 back to back.
back to back. What luck, huh?
Evan Longoria again.
Evan Longoria, man, what?
It's like you got the same pack.
So if y'all seen this video, this is just obscure, but
Okay, I know you
There
didn't
you
get
go.
him. I got him, but
this one got a feeling. This
okay,
the
let's put that one with the judge.
this is Jose Urena. This got the nice feeling to it. The feel we're looking for is like a kind of a rigid, indented feeling. This is Kevin Biggio from the Toronto Blue Jays. This is from the Dodgers again.
Another rookie.
Bruce Gatero.
I'll put that one inside.
White Sox.
Eloy
Jimenez again from my brother's homie. And again, Brandon Lowe. So yeah, it was about the same thing. I'm going to pass y'all back to the Ed, man.
Okay, so he picked 2 random packs. He got some of the same cards. That's a trick. I mean, it's bound to happen, but he really got the same cards from different packs. It's crazy when you think about it. Like, what are the chances that he's gonna get the exact same cards? Right. So first bunch, we already picked the relic for it. So sorry, you guys. This is gonna be trash. I hope you guys enjoy the cards that we put in the background. The players are Luis Robert rookie card, 2019 Bowman Platinum, 2018 Bowman's DJ Peters from the Los Angeles Dodgers refracted autograph, and Fernando Tatis Jr. 2019 Bowman's Best Futures Foundation die cut. Hope you guys enjoy those backgrounds.
My brother got them in great condition too.
PSA 9s. Alright, I got 2 packs in here. Let's go. Gary Sanchez, New York, I was gonna say Knicks. New York Yankees. Marcell Ozuna, that's from the Atlanta Braves. Oh, there we go, that's what we were looking for. Fernando Tatis Jr. He's gonna go with a separate pot. I wish it was indented, but unfortunately it's not. Maybe a Holiday. I don't see nothing else. Trey Mancini, I always talk about him when I get him because he beat cancer, colon cancer. Good for him. Make sure you guys go check your doctors out yearly at least. Willie Adames, Luis Severino. Okay, this has some indented, not as much as the Aaron Judge or the Jose Arena that my brother pulled, but it is indeed indented. This is Kevin Newman, Chad Paddock, or Chris Paddock, I don't know why I say Chad. Brendan Rodgers, Colorado. Yordan Alvarez, that's perfect. That's our 3rd Yordan since we've been buying these packs. That's a rookie we should keep. Andrew Benintendi, Kyle Lewis rookie card. That's a good hit too. I think he won Rookie of the Year. Justin Verlander, Xander Bogaerts. Okay, this card is backwards. I could see it's a Rocky. Nolan Arenado. I'm kind of scared of turning this around. Should we save it? Okay, we're gonna turn this bad boy around.
Backward too?
Let's see. Yeah, you guys seen this? It's a backwards. Oh, do you guys see it? The reason this one is backwards, I swear I thought it was gonna be an autograph, but nope. Check it out. Candy cane in his bat pocket. You see the bat is made out of candy cane. Oh, hold on. Come on.
I never would have noticed that.
There you go. Candy cane in the back. Bat is candy cane. Unfortunately, I thought it was an autograph, but it wasn't.
Pretty cool.
But still, whatever. Candy cane. Gregory Polanco. D. Strange Gordon. I know this card doesn't say it, but he changed his name. Jack Flaherty. Rick Porcello. And Juan Soto. Alright. I'm done. Then it's my brother's turn. He gets to pick 2 resin packs. This pack already doesn't have that.
I was gonna say, I don't think we have to take any of the right, and if you guys take any advice from any of my other past videos from Lucky, since right is always right. So we're gonna get 2 from the top of the right, and we're gonna do exactly how we've been doing it. Face down, so y'all won't see the surprise.
I wish these cards that had the candy canes and stuff would have serial numbers. I think that's the only thing that's missing. I think they should have serial numbers, but unfortunately they don't. Or, you know, I think they come 1 a pack. So I know the second pack already, we got the candy cane edition. The first pile we already got the relic. You guys remember the Boston Red Sox relic? Alright, now that my brother's done, I'm gonna let him do his thing. I'm gonna stay quiet.
Okay. Shout out to my brother. He does his homework on this, so he knows a lot more than I do. Mariners, Kyle Seager. Nothing really special. On to the next. We got Vladimir Guerrero Jr. with what is
The
it?
little award on the side.
The award on the.
Put that one to the side because he's playing really good.
This is not indented, but it's a Ryan Zimmerman. Trying to see for like that candy cane baseball.
That's a nice looking card right
This is
there.
a nice one. It's a Ramon Laureano.
That's a nice looking card, no lie.
Let's see. So.
Oh,
Wow.
another Red Sox.
What do you guys think about this? Y'all let me know. This is Andrew Benintendi. Thank you for that, Eddie. This is a piece of his jersey that was worn in the game. See what it says on the back. If it says, it's congratulations from the Andrew Benintendi from the Boston Red Sox, and yeah.
So that's the pile from the second pile, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hand that to him. Told you the right side for some reason is always lucky for me, guys. Next we got with the champion, the little award.
Okay.
We got a Keston Hura. My brother JD Martinez, the Boston Red Sox. AJ Puck.
That's a rookie card.
The RC rookie card. To my brother, gently. John Birdie. Never want to damage the card, even if it's not. Just don't want to damage it. Next we got Mitch Garver from the Minnesota Twins. Next up, I believe this is Jack Mayfield. Yep, from the Houston.
Rookie card.
Rookie card right here, y'all. This is another rookie card, huh? What are the chances? Zach Gallen, y'all.
I pulled him earlier. That's our second Zach Gallen.
Rookie. This is another rookie card. Domingo Leyba. Excuse me if I didn't pronounce that right.
I put that one too.
This is his name is Aristides Aquino.
Which is a really good hit that my brother just got. A good rookie card to have.
Remember, guys, right?
Look at that.
Ronald Acuna Jr. Check that out. I wish this was a rookie.
Or a dented at least.
Or
a
yeah.
candy cane or something.
Check this out.
But still.
Zoom in. Yeah.
Oh, what the hell? He just pulled the same rookie.
Aquino, yeah. Not indented, nothing too special. Jose Urena, not dented. And lastly, we got Luis Severino from the Yankees. So, overall, not a bad pull for me. Hand job to lady.
All right, so that was actually a pretty good pack he just got. As you guys seen, he got Ronald Acuna. He got two Aquinos. He got that Andrew Benintendi hit. I think we only got one more relic or autograph that we could get. So let's pull from that pile so we could just get it out the way. If we do get it, if your brother gets it on the next one, that would be cool too. It's all about teamwork. This YouTube is all about bonding. You know, my brother, I'm getting into him, into cards with him. I'm a big basketball guy, but you know, I enjoy it anyways. Okay.
Started with the ice cream truck.
Austin Riley, Braves. Luis Arias, I think that's the Twins. Tommy Edman. Brian McBroom, that's a rookie card. Clayton Kershaw, that goes, oh, it's a Philly one. So that goes to my brother. Whit Merrifield, who's having a good start to the season. Ozzy Albies. Miguel Cabrera. Garrett Cole. Rafael Devers, who's having a really good season. Alex Young, rookie card. Luis Robert, rookie card. That's beautiful. Man. JT Realmuto. Christian Walker. Robinson Cano, whose career is probably over because he's pretty old and he got caught with steroids twice. Josh Donaldson, one of my favorite underrated players. This one has a little... Oh, actually, I might be blind. But I'm glad I got it. As you guys can see, he's wearing a scarf.
Oh, that's nice.
He's wearing a scarf right here. Josh Donaldson scarf card. That's a real weird way to say it, but yep. That one goes in this pile. Sean Murphy, rookie card. Mike Trout. I wish Mike Trout was wearing the scarf instead. But you can never go wrong with Trout. Izan Diaz, rookie card. Put him on the side. And Buster Posey, Hall of Famer in my opinion. But he's almost as old as I am. Alright, my turn is done. It's my brother's turn. I'll let him handle his business.
Hey y'all, I know y'all gonna call me a camper or something, but I'm just sticking to the right because hey, I know y'all would too if y'all kept having luck with the right. So what my brother said about cancer, it's always important to check up on stuff like that, you know. I'm wearing a pink shirt right now. I know you can't see, but you know it's good. Bring out the awareness of the prostate cancer and women's breast cancer. You know, we all have mothers, sisters, and fathers, and of course, we don't want ourselves to get ill now. And we all want to stay safe during this epidemic. Like my brother said, it's about teamwork. This channel really all started because of my brother and because of my interest of how he used to buy me the Topps cards from the ice cream truck. So now that I got these two packs open, let's go, y'all. What do you think? What do you guys think? What are you expecting? Y'all let me know. I think I'm expecting something good from this, y'all. I think I feel something good. Let's start off. We got Nelson Cruz, who I don't believe is wearing or it's not indented. So, oh, I thought that was a green snowflake. Okay. Next, we got Josh Hader. Okay. Next, Clayton Kershaw. One of my favorite. Clayton Kershaw from the Los Angeles Dodgers. I'll put that to the side. That's the second one we pulled. Next, we got Blake Snell. Not indented. We got Matthew Boyd. Well, this one.
Oh,
So this is a good Christmas. It's an early Christmas, but we're gonna and we're gonna slide it up for you. I know y'all seen the name, but let's see what it do. Subscribe to the Dog Gang and the Ad Man. Let's go.
Oh, look at the top. It's snowy.
It's I'm gonna let this zoom in. Shake it. So let's focus in, y'all. It's focusing now. There you go. Check this out. Look at this Ronald Acuna. Woo! It's focusing nice, and check that out, you guys. This is a nice Ronald. So I'll definitely be giving that to my brother. I'm putting that to the side. I know he's gonna like the look. He's a big fan, and let's keep going. Like I said, I knew I shouldn't have keep camping on the right side, but let's go. Let's see what else we got. I told you I had a good feeling. We got Mitch Haniger, Seattle Mariners. We got Jake Odorizzi, regular. No rookie. We got Trey Turner. Sorry, just waiting for it to focus. Next we got Kyle Tucker. Try to get a good view of that. We got LA. We got Walker Buehler.
Nice.
I'm
Put
gonna
that in your collection.
put that in my collection. How about Ketel Marte? How you get that? Probably because the UFC fighter Kamaru Usman, I always call him, like they call him Marty. We got Sam Hillard.
I think that's a rookie.
Rookie? Check this out, brother. Next up, we got Christian Yelich. So you guys see this. Christian Yelich. This is Matthew Boyd. This is indented.
Okay. Is that a rookie too or no? No.
This is so man. So you guys can see the. Next, we got Nick Senzel. Regular. This is Willie Castro. Rookie card.
Okay, cool.
And then to my brother, Zach Greinke. And Nico Horner.
Well pronounced.
We got lastly Anthony Rizzo. So no Christmas ornaments. I'm gonna hand y'all back to the ad man. He got the look. Let's see what it do.
So as you guys see, my brother just hit that Ronald Acuna Winter Edition. It's in the back right here, behind or in front of DJ Peters. That was a really good pull. You know, I was like really hoping. I was really hoping that it was a Ronald Acuna autograph. That would have been a real game changer. But hey, pickers can't be choosers, right? It's all about having fun around here. Alright, here we go. Cody Bellinger. Jake Rogers, rookie. Yoan Moncada. I'll put that one aside. Victor Robles, award winner. Shohei Ohtani. Max Fried or Freed. Aldebert Alzolay. It's like the weirdest name I've ever seen. He's a rookie, so he goes to the rookie pile. Here's a Kwang Hyun Kim, rookie. Mauricio Dubon, rookie. Rangel Ravelo, rookie. Chris Bryant. Luke Voigt. You guys could check out no shirt underneath his jersey. Miguel Andujar. Never heard of him with the Yankees. Josh Bell. Blake Snell, which is indented. Perfect. Jorge Polanco. Charlie Blackmon. George Springer, who is now with the Blue Jays. Steven Strasburg. And Mitch Haniger. Or, what am I thinking? Mike Clevenger. I was just so fascinated with the background, I thought it was like another snow piece or whatever. My fault. Can be.
So my brother got a pretty average pull that time, but let's see what I get. Hopefully I get something that's worth a while. If y'all watching this, if y'all been with us this video this long, thank you guys. We really appreciate it. We try to do weekly videos, you know, and keep you guys updated on all sorts of sports cards. Like my brother said, he's a big basketball fan, but we both enjoy baseball and MMA. And let us know if there's anything else you would like us, any cards that you would like us to collect, you know, Pokemon or whatever you guys just want to see. Y'all let us know. Okay, let's get started. You ready, family? Let's go. Starting off from the Detroits, we got Travis Demeritte.
Demerit? That rookie?
That's a rookie card? Yes, it is. Good eye. Next, we got Michael Conforto. Yes, sir. Not a rookie or not indented. Next we got Alberto Pujols. Albert.
Who was released, no longer with the Angels.
Longer. Huh. This is the White Sox, I believe.
Yeah, Zach Collins rookie.
That's my brother's homie, Boofus. He likes the White Sox. Put that on the side. Another White Sox. Danny Mendick.
Rookie.
So I should put that for my brother. This is a Dodger, which will go for me. Will Smith, and we're not talking about the actor.
Award winner.
So it's very nice. This is Brandon Crawford. Okay. See him in action. Next we got Josh Donaldson.
We got him with the scarf, if you guys remember.
Oh yeah, I had that one. I wish this one was indented. What is this? We got a Patrick Corbin, not a rookie or nothing. We got Luis Urias, nothing too special. We got Tony Kemp, nothing. Jock Peterson.
Jock Peterson.
That's a Dodger. Boston Red Sox. This is Chris Sale. Some pitching. Next up, we got Kyle Schwarber,
who's no longer with the Cubs. He's with the Nationals.
Next up, we got a regular Brian Reynolds, Pittsburgh.
Award winner.
Put that to the side for my brother.
Our third.
Ronald Acuna. They always look nice to have a Ronald Acuna. This is Rice Hoskins.
That's a big boy.
This is Max Scherzer. Well, I don't see nothing like a Christmas, or it's not a dented. This is a Griffin Canning, Angels, and lastly we got Gleyber Torres from the New York Yankees. Okie dokie, that was my 2 cards. Next, the Ed Man.
Okay, so we're done with
Right.
the right side. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. We're at 36 minutes, so we're gonna try to speed it up. We're gonna try to do 3 packs now. That way, it won't take crazy long because we're up in time. And I'll get at least one from the other side that we know that we got. Thank you. Alright, here we go. 3 packs. Let's speed this up a bit. Brandon McKay, rookie. Put him on the rookie pile. Kian Wong, rookie. Put him on the side. Aaron Judge. Nick Solak. Walker Buehler. Ooh, my brother got a nice one. It's an indented, so he gets to keep the Walker Buehler. That's his. Jesus Luzardo, rookie. Bryce Harper. Randy Arozarena, rookie. That's one that we're looking for. Jose Berrios. Nick Castellanos, who's having a good season. Elvis Andrews. It's upside down. Aaron Nola. Jose Ramirez. Indians. Jeff McNeil. Jake Fraley, rookie. Matt Chapman. Wilson Contreras. Malex Smith. Just there flexing. Brendan Nemo. Jackie Bradley Jr. Another Walker Buehler going to my brother. Not indented. Ketel Marte. Sam Hilliard, rookie. Christian Yelich, base. Travis Demerit, nice looking rookie card. Oh, here I pulled the other holiday special, which is Alex Bregman. And oh, it's right here, ladies and gentlemen. It's a Christmas ornament. If you guys can see it. Let me get a bit closer. Christmas ornament hanging from the ball. Nico Horner. Anthony Rizzo. Will Smith, award winner, going to my brother again. And Brendan Crawford. Alright, I'll let him pick his 3.
So we want to try to speed this up, family. I'm getting 3. We won't try to go for this fast. I like those cards my brother got. If you guys ever try to open multi-packs like I am, always, like I said, feel for the cards. Make sure, and you just really need to just cut up in a quarter, and the rest they can slide out. See, they all slide out just like that. Just cut them open, they slide out. I'm gonna get the video rolling even faster. Sorry, y'all. So, okay, let's get started. Sorry about that. Starting off, we got a regular Will Myers. We got Michael Chavez. Chavis, yes. Michael Chavis. We got a Carter Kieboom. Ooh, check this out, you guys.
Austin Riley.
Austin Riley.
There's the hit.
From the Atlanta Braves. Having this off to my brother. Next, we're going on to a regular. Oh, Edwin Rios, Dodger. That's for me. Another Dodger. We got Tony Gonsolin, undented. We got a Blue Jay. We got Shun Yamaguchi, and that off to my brother. We got Jake Arrieta. We got Bo Bichette.
Rookie. Nice.
Kyle Garlick.
Rookie. Nice.
We got Pete Alonso.
Award winner.
Jorge Soler. We got Keto Marte.
Calm down.
That's what it was. Keto Marte. That one. We got Corey Seager from the Los Angeles
Dodgers.
Dodgers.
Collection.
We got our oldest Chapman from the New York Yankees. We got Corey Kluber from the Texas Rangers.
Who is now with the Yankees.
We got another Dodger, Justin Turner. Jose Altuve.
Boofus, that's for you, your favorite player, man.
I hand that off to my brother. Matt Olson. We got Paul DeJong.
Call me Paul the Don.
We got Masahiro Tanaka from New York Yankees. We got Ronnie Rodriguez, Milwaukee Brewers. We got next Ryan Braun. This is backwards, so
that's the holiday one.
let's lift this up. We got Red Sox. This is Rafael Devers.
Is there anything special about it?
It's not indented. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Well, it is indented.
Is it? I didn't feel it. Carlos Correa. Freddie Freeman.
I found it. Sorry to interrupt you. There's an ornament hanging from the bat. You see it? Under his elbow? Right there. Yep. That's what it was. Good pull.
We got Nolan Arenado. And last but not least, we got Trevor Story. When it was his story. Let's go on.
So let me finish this side and grab one of these. And then I'll let my brother, let's see. Yeah, we could go 4 and 4. And then we'll finish this video up for you guys so it won't take too much time. We're down to our final 8 packs, so let's go with a massive rip. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here I go. My last 4 packs. Okay, Ryan Zimmerman, Ramon Laureano, John Birdie, rookie, Mitch Garver, Jack Mayfield, Wilson Contreras, JD Martinez, AJ Putt, rookie, another Ronald Acuna, beautiful, can't go wrong with these. Here's another rookie, Aristides Aquino. My brother already pulled like 2 or 3 of those. Javi Baez, Trent Grisham rookie, Tim Anderson, John Means, who just threw a no-hitter, Joey Votto, Anthony Rendon, Eric Hosmer, Paul Goldschmidt, Andrew McCutchen, Jorge Alfaro, Eddie Rosario, Shane Bieber, Mookie Betts, that goes to my brother, Dansby Swanson, Jalen Davis, that's a rookie, Mitch Haniger, who I got confused about earlier, but it is indeed dented, Francisco Lindor, who is now Met, Kevin Lux rookie, that goes to my brother, Alex Bregman, oh, Dustin May, that goes to my brother, rookie card, that he has that to his collection, Michael Conforto, Albert Pujols, Zach Collins rookie, Danny Mendick, giggity, rookie, Oscar Mercado, Malex Smith, Josh Donaldson, Patrick Corbin, Luis Urias, and Kevin Biggio. And that was my last one. I'm going to let my brother open his last fours, and then we'll let you guys go.
So we're going to open our last four, y'all. Typically I'm going to cut this 2 by 2, that way none of the cards get injured. Always feel for the 4 cards. Don't want to hurt them. For example, this one, this card right here wants to rather be open from the bottom because the cards are sticking up from the top too much. I don't want to hurt the cards. So next up, I want to hurt the cards in any shape, way, or form. If you guys are still watching the video, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys.
This is our longest video ever.
We're gonna have more quality good videos coming out soon. We're investing in the channel. Good cards for you guys. So these are my last 4 packets. Shout out to my brother, man. He's a man. He knows how to get all this. Starting off, it already